Hello everyone, thank you for watching this video. Welcome to YAPOY. Our main product today, the hairdryer. Check out our test video below. Simulating airflow blockage. Block 50% of the air intake. Heat can't escape, causing the internal temperature to rise quickly. We can see that the power has already been reduced by the NTC temperature control system to around 700 to 800 watts. So when the temperature gets too high, YAPOY's hairdryer doesn't shut down, it simply lowers the power to reduce heat, while still running normally. Now let's test what happens when we block 75% of the air intake. We can see that the power drops straight down to around 120 watts. At this point, there's a thermal cutoff switch inside. When the temperature spikes too high, this physical switch instantly cuts off power to the heating element, stopping heat generation completely. When the temperature drops back to a safe level, the thermal cutoff switch reconnects the heating element, quickly restoring heat so the user can keep using the hairdryer normally. Now let's test what happens when we completely block the air inlet. The temperature control system immediately shuts the machine down to ensure user safety. But unlike ordinary dryers, you don't have to wait 10 minutes, it can be restarted manually right away. In addition, we've added a backup fuse on the heating element to handle any unexpected extreme situations. Likewise, there's an extra fuse on the PCB to prevent excessive current from posing any risk to the user. We've put a lot of thought into safety, making sure our product is reliable and worry-free to use. Why do ordinary hairdryers tend to break down easily? While most brands use 6 separate 3A MOSFETs, YAPOY upgrades to 3 high-performance IPM integrated driver modules, each containing 6 built-in 7A MOSFETs. This means more power, higher stability, and much better safety protection. Using 7A IPM drivers comes at a price that's 4 to 5 times higher than using 3A MOSFETs. But YAPOY chooses to invest in the best performance, ensuring better stability and longer durability for our products. Our products are sold in multiple regions worldwide, including North America, Europe, Australia, Japan, the Middle East, and Russia. We offer customized product solutions based on different customer needs to ensure market compatibility. If you're interested in collaborating, please feel free to contact us via email.